The beautiful prison of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, set on fire by the Modi-led fascist Indian regime, has threatened the entire South Asian region to go up in flames if the dispute continues to go unaddressed. According to a research report released by Kashmir Media Service today, the state repression has increased multifold with unexplained magnitude and gravity. The report maintained that over 4,000 Hurriyat leaders, activists, youth, students, human rights defenders, including APHC Chairman Masarrat Aalam Butt, Yasin Malik, Shabbir Ahmad Shah, Aasiya, Andrabi and Khurram Parvez have been put behind the bars in faraway jails in India. At the same time, structural disempowerment of the Kashmiri people is a continuing process resulting in institutional breakdown in the occupied territory. Meanwhile, posters with Pakistan's flag and picture of Army Chief General Yasin Malik have appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the Kashmir Valley with greeting messages ahead of the Pakistan Day to be celebrated on March 23rd. The posters displayed by Kashmiri youth, soldiers of Islam and Warisine Shohada are also carrying the famous slogan coined by the martyred veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Gilani, "Hum Pakistani hain, Pakistan hamara hai." The posters were pasted on walls, pillars and poles in Srinagar and other areas of the Kashmir Valley. A local policeman identified as Head Constable Mushtaq Ahmed died in custody of India's Central Bureau of Investigation in Kathoa under mysterious circumstances. He was arrested a few days back on apparent charge of taking some bribe from a complainant. The APHC AJK chapter, in a statement issued in Islamabad, demanded the United Nations to implement its resolutions on Jammu and Kashmir without further delay.